Hello students, take out your marigold. So we have completed unit 1. Today we will discuss unit 2. So students, you see daily in your surrounding birds, but do you know that birds have their own way to talk like us? They have their ideas and feelings to share, and they can communicate like us. So today we will discuss unit 2, which is a poem, Bird Talk, and the poet is Eileen Fisher. So take out page number 11, Bird Talk. So in this poem we will find that there are two birds. The first one is Robin and the second one is Jay, and they are sitting in the garden. So students, let's see the matter on which they are talking. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. So robin said to jay to think. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. So they are sitting in the garden one day and they said to each other to think. So let's see what's the matter. Think about people, the way they grow. So they talk to think about the people, about us, that in the way we grow. They don't have feathers. Now they are very surprised. The birds are very surprised to notice that the people have feathers. They don't have feathers at all. You know, they don't eat beetles. They means people. The people even don't eat beetles. Here we find the word beetle. Now what is the meaning of beetle? Beetle is a form of insect. So the spelling is B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle, a form of insect. So the birds are very surprised that the people, they don't have feather, even they don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't have wings. Now you know that who have wings? Yes, the birds have wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Even they don't used to sit in the wire or things like birds. Now students, look at the picture below new words. Here birds are sitting on the wires. Again robin said to jay to think. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. So they are very confused. They are very surprised about the people, about us, that how they, even the people, they don't have feathers, they don't eat beetles, they don't have wings, and even they don't used to sit on wires. So for them, the people are very funny. Aren't people funny to be that way? So they find the people funny. Why they find the people funny? Because the people don't grow feathers, they don't have feathers, they don't eat the beetles, even they don't have the wings, and they do not like to sit on the wires and things. So here we find, students, new words some. So beetle, beetle means a form of insects. Sitting, the next one is sitting. Now what is the meaning of sitting? Being seated. The next one is wires. W-I-R-E-S, wires. So wire means a long and thin piece of metal. Piece of metal that is used to carry the electric current. Wires on which the birds usually sit. The next word is funny. The birds find the people funny. So what is the meaning of funny? Something that makes the people happy. So birds find the people very funny creature because they don't grow feathers, they don't eat beetles, they don't have wings, even they don't like to sit on wires and things like them. That's why they find the people very funny. So, students, name the two birds in the poem. Yes, the two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. What are the three things that people can't do? So, students, tell me what are the three things the people can't do. They don't have the feathers, they don't sit on the wires, they don't fly, they don't eat beetles. So students, in the next video we will discuss the question answer. So please write down these new words in your notebook, okay? And in the next video we will discuss the question answers.